Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change country in Microsoft account. So the first thing you do is sign in to Microsoft account or log in using your credentials, and then via phone versus the app on the app or by website. So once you're in here, this is the home screen, home page actually. Next thing you do is click on your information. You want to change the country, and then you can see the country or region here, so you can change it by clicking on the arrow at the end here, and then you enter your password, you sign in, then you can now edit it from country from Nigeria to a new one. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. How to change country in Microsoft account. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one we put up every day.